It has been something which Shimla required for a long time, and finally it has happened. So thank you for it. It's a difficult, courageous decision on your part. Closing down a bar and then converting it into a book cafe is something many people will not like to do. But you have decided on this, and it's wonderful. I think for a book cafe, you need a place like this only, small, cozy, with good cup of coffee, some snacks, lots of tea, and lots of talk. And I think this is what is going to happen here. Congratulations once again to everyone, to all those who have been associated with this idea. This is going to be a book club, book cafe, and a place with a difference. She has decided that there will be a membership also. There are going to be 3 types of members. One is annual membership. People can join by paying 1,000 rupees. And then there is one-time annual fee on a cafe discount, 10% discount you will get if you pay 2,500 for the annual membership. So every time you come here, you get 10% discount. And there is this special one. If you become a 5,000 rupee member for 1 year, you get 20% discount. So, and you also get not just discount, you get 6 bookings free of charge. You can book the cafe 6 times in a year for 1 hour sessions. And first session I am going to book, I must say that on 2nd of May, I would like to book for 1 hour, and for before that I think I'll have to pay 5,000 rupees. So it's only then you will book. But it's not about. Everybody is invited. We are holding a small discussion on books. हाँ उसके बाद शाम को 6 बजे, evening 6 o'clock. The book that is to be discussed is 40 Rules of Love by Alif Shafaq. So there's few people who are reading it already. So we'll start with that book. But it's a book club where you can donate books. So please bring books which are there in your homes. You want to share with other people who love to read. So you can donate books here. You can exchange books. She'll be telling you in detail about it, how that exchange will work. You can borrow books, you can read at home, come back, give that book here. So this is going to be a good place to come, sit, have a cup of coffee, talk about books, talk about life and times. So it's not just about books and not just about reading. It's about getting connected. In most of the parts of the world now, you are having cafes where they write, we don't have Wi-Fi. We want people to talk to each other, because these days people, if there are 3 people sitting, they are talking on phone to somebody else. They are not talking to each other. So the conversation is happening in virtual world. It is happening through texting and videos and messages, but not face to face. So this place should give an opportunity to come, sit, talk to each other, face to face, communicate as it used to be. Many people have forgotten actually. It's not a surprise that young people don't know how to play Scrabble.